Looking half Japanese is the new fashionable trend in Japan. Due to the high rise of half Japanese celebrities in Japan, more and more girls are influenced to alter their looks and distance themselves from the traditional Japanese beauty ideal of Nadeshiko Yamato. As a name, Nadeshiko Yamato is used to personify the idea of raw beauty and manners of a Japanese girl. In order to become a half beauty, or what they call half hukao, which translates into English as half face, girls put on makeup, dye their hair, and wear contact lenses. Fashion-wise, hipster-style clothing and shirts with English word prints have never been so popular in Japan. A lot of instructions and tips on how to look half can be found in Japanese fashion and lifestyle magazines. Another difference that made the half look so popular is the toning down of Japanese cuteness and bringing in more the cliché of being an independent grown-up. The half look hit Japan so hard, even girl groups are now basing their music on this trend. The style of clothing they are wearing is called otona kawaii and means adult cute. The half look is often accompanied by otona kawaii. Just by typing in the word half into Google, you see how serious this trend has gotten. But can foreigners too make themselves look half Japanese? Let's try it! Get a face cleanser. I use this one because it smells like an English rose garden. Eye enlarging contact lenses. Technically, any other color than dark brown will do. The most popular half Japanese eye colors are light brown, gray, grayish blue, and light green. If your eyes aren't already one of these colors, then opt for contact lenses. Before applying any makeup, I recommend everyone to use a primer. The primer will make your skin smooth like silk, so your foundation can be applied effortlessly and last longer. Speaking of foundation, the most natural looking coverage would be CC cream. Except that this one here is not ordinary, as it comes with a cushion, ensuring an even distribution to create that airbrush skin effect. If you have gory under eye circles like me, use this eye brightening stick to make it look like they never even happened. Thank you, makeup god. This is a shading palette. Fix the base with the middle color. Using a shading palette, Japanese girls can easily create the illusion of Western facial features. Here's how to shade and highlight for a more three-dimensional face. If you do have these Western facial features, just skip this step. However, not even all Western girls have narrow set eyes. To get an illusion that you do, choose a natural eyeliner color like brown and start a few millimeters off the inner corner of your eye and end the line with a 1 cm long wing. Wet a cotton swab and smudge the wing. With a shimmery eyeshadow stick, start to draw a line, getting thicker towards the outer corner of your eye. Just like this. Long eyelashes are a must, but fake ones will ruin the look. That's why we'll use a special mascara with 2 brushes, black mascara and white fiber. First, apply the mascara like you normally would. Then take out the white fiber brush and apply on the top of your lashes. Finally, apply black mascara over the white fiber. This method creates neat and long lashes. It's like you'll never ever have to wear falsies again. Same goes for your cheeks. Squirt out 2 tiny dots of cream blusher and wrap the color upwards for higher, sun-kissed cheekbones. For your lips, use a tinted lip balm or lip crayon. Nothing fancy, just a nice touch of color in any natural shade you like. Thick eyebrows are considered elegant and Western. With an eyebrow mascara, it's ridiculously easy to get good-looking, thick eyebrows. Simply brush along your natural brow shape. It's just like magic, see? Many girls who yearn for the half look dye their hair in one of these colors. It is also not uncommon to wear wigs in Japan. For the style itself, go for something that says light and fluffy. But keep in mind to avoid full bangs, layers, straight cuts, but choose wavy hair with volume, side or no fringe, no complicated arranges. Maybe choose an Otona Kawaii hair accessory to complete your look. You're finished! Now we know how Japanese girls look half foreign, and foreign girls can look half Japanese too. Do you think this reverse makeup worked? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Boop bye bye boo!